Welcome to Georgetown Manor PA, where we have spacious and comfortable apartments available in South Williamsport. This is the front entrance with a view of the cul-de-sac and surrounding Georgetown Manor buildings. Today we'll be touring a newly remodeled apartment at 365 Girio Terrace. These stairs are only used by one other apartment upstairs, so it's a fairly private entrance. Entering the front door of apartment number 5, you have a nice sized coat closet and a spacious living room with lots of windows to let in all that beautiful natural light. The carpeting throughout this apartment is all new. Here we have the refurbished kitchen with new vinyl flooring and a new overhead light. This kitchen also features a spacious pantry for additional storage. Moving down the hall, we come into the primary bedroom. This room is about 130 square feet and has a really big walk-in closet with an overhead light. Here we have the bathroom with new flooring, a new bright light fixture, and a large modern sink and vanity. Full-size tub with a shower here as well, and right next to the bathroom is a linen closet for extra storage. Heading into the smaller bedroom, this space is roughly 100 square feet with a large bifold closet. This room would be ideal for a work-from-home office or a workout room. Our last stop inside is the separate laundry closet with washer and dryer, new flooring, and an overhead storage rack. And here's the back entrance to the apartment with a newly rebuilt deck. You can see we have a convenient trash and recycling area for our residents to place their waste, and plenty of parking spots available in the lot. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.